everyone, this is Lexie with SYS Education. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're talking about digital organization. Here we go. Tip number 1, keep the desktop clean. Just like you probably keep your desk clean and organized, a great basic step to take is to keep the desktop clean. There can be plenty of ways of doing this. As you can see, I like my desktop completely empty, with all of my icons and my menu bar hidden until I mouse over them. Then when I'm working on a project, I'll use the desktop as a dumping ground so that only things from my current day's project live on it, and I can find everything without clicking into folders. This minimal desktop approach won't work for everyone, so here are a few more tips. If you do want to keep things on your desktop, try organizing them in folders so you can easily see which items will be where. So for instance, I might make a new folder and I would call it Project 1 for a project that I'm working on. And if I have another project, then I could do the same thing. And maybe I have some photos that I want to keep, so I would add one for that too. You can organize your desktop folders by dragging them around, or you can right-click on the desktop and click Clean Up to organize them into a grid, or Clean Up By to sort by any of these options. I typically like to use Name. Tip 2. Keep track of your digital resources. Do you ever find something online that you want to go back to and close the tab, certain you'll be able to find it again, only to forget about it or lose it? Do you ever just keep the tab open forever so you'll never risk the loss? It can feel overwhelming to keep track of resources online, so what I like to do is create a digital index with links to resources so that I can remember what I found and navigate back to it when needed. I do this on Trello with a different list for each topic and a card for each link. But you can also use any number of solutions for this, from bookmarks to a simple Google Doc. Tip 3. Group your work by topic. If you're a multitasker, you may have a million different tabs for a million different projects all open at once. And it's helpful to have everything you need for a project open. But realistically, when the tabs get so tiny that all you can see is the little icon, it can be hard to navigate around your work and get to the areas you need. What I like to do is open a new full screen window for each general area of my work. So for instance, I might have a window open for a document for my drive and for anything else that I need for just writing. And then I might open a new window for research. So here I have my research window, and maybe I have a new topic I need to research, like notebooks. So I would search that, and I might keep it open if, say, this is a helpful resource. And if I have a lot of these open, I might even organize my tabs by tab group. As you can see, I have one for animal research and one for state parks already open. If I wanted to add this to a tab group, I could right-click on it, and I could say Add Tab to Group and make a new group. And I would probably call it Notebooks. So that's a helpful way to organize your tabs, even within a general window that's one topic. And then it's helpful because you can use your keyboard shortcuts or trackpad commands to switch easily between windows. So I know that my research is happening here and my writing is happening here. And if I need to get an overview of everything that's open, I can swipe up with 3 fingers to see that this is my writing window. Here's my research. Here's anything that I have stored on my desktop for the project. And you can see that I actually do have a tab or a window open for the video I'm recording right now. All right, everybody, that's it. I hope you learned something helpful in today's video about digital organization. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite tip is, and don't forget to catch us next Tuesday for the next Tech Tip Tuesday. Like and subscribe.